Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the color of the background layer in Photoshop. We start by opening Photoshop and we are going to see how to change the color to either a transparent layer or a white background layer. To do this, we are going to select the layer that we want to change. After that, we are going to click on the Paint Bucket tool. Then, in the front color configurator, we are going to click and choose a color. Finally, we will click on the layer to modify, and we will see that our layer changes color. You can do the process again if you want to add another color again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.